formalmente.
None watching this video, this is known as Raja Beta concept. And this is the topic, this is the concept which we are going to cover in our today's day 15 of shadowing series. So, but before that, let me congratulate to you. Congratulations on completing 15 days of the 30 days shadowing challenge. You have made it halfway, and that's something to be proud of. So, as always, we are going to shadowing here in the same way. I am so proud of this girl for walking away and choosing her self respect over anything. I personally come from a family where Raja Beta concept is so normalized. A boy is born and he is treated like a god. He is treated like almighty. And there's nothing which a boy can do wrong. Everything he does is right. Boys are pampered so much that everything they touch, they own it. And if they do not get what they want, they abuse their mother, their sister so badly. Altogether, they behave crazy. And you know what? What's the irony here? Nobody is correcting them. Everybody is saying, let it be, he is just a kid. They will laugh on such things. Because for family members, it's okay for their boys to be aggressive. And then, gradually, every time they misbehave with anybody, their sister, friends, teachers, guests, strangers, colleagues, and gradually they start bullying people, destroy their mental life by torturing them every day. Honestly, when I see kids like this, I feel like giving them a slap. For example, recently with my guest, a Raja Beta came. And honestly, the way he was insisting on taking my stuff to his home as if it belongs to him. And at that point, his parents were actually willing to pay me for the stuff. I directly told them it's not for sale. And just because your child likes something or puts his hand on it doesn't mean you can buy it for him. And that's how parents do not realize the consequences of their kids' this behavior. I think the best way to teach such kids good manners is to set boundaries from an early age. They need to understand that they have to respect other people's belongings. Parents should teach them to ask politely and accept no and understand that being a boy is not about getting whatever you want. Kid is a kid, either it's a boy or a girl. So, the way we teach our small girls manners, just the same way, start teaching all the manners to your Raja Beta also. Thank you so much for listening. So, how was that, guys? I enjoyed it a lot while writing my answer. And I hope you also enjoyed it. But yeah, let me know in the comments that if you also have seen such kind of Raja Beta, or maybe you have in your family, or maybe you are the Raja Beta. So let me know in comments. I hope you enjoyed our today's day 15 of shadowing. We will meet tomorrow in our next day of shadowing. Bye bye. Have a great day.